Hey everyone! Recently I received the Marrow edition 8 notes and let's unbox it. So firstly the box was very heavy. Box was of around 18 kgs and with the help of my roommate हम लोग finally इसको अपने hostel room तक लेके आए. And as we were very excited we started to unbox it. So packaging was brilliant. All of the plastics and the cardboard's packaging was so fine that कोई भी notes damage नहीं हुआ. All the paper and the cover, everything was fine. They provided with this shelf like cardboard जिसमें सारे notes arranged थे and those were very beautiful. The theme that they used was also very artistic and it was very eye-catching. So all of the 19 subject के notes इसमें arranged थे and there were 2 envelopes that they gave and they were having some gifts. So these 2 highlighters and 2 of these sticky notes. One was the transparent one and one was with the colored. And then they also gave this beautiful letter, a very passionate one, and some free stickers, and along with that they gave these beautiful bookmarks with the associated themes, and I just loved them. The notes were excellent, the quality of the pages and the book cover, that was very beautiful as per their theme, Courage to Save.